Hi guys, today we will start a new Python tutorial. We will learn a lot of programming concepts, especially what's related to Python. But before that, we have to install Python. So let's see the following steps to install Python in Windows operating system and how we will learn how to write simple Python code. First, we will go through Google and write Python. Then we will get the official website of Python, and in this website click on download, and as you can see here is the latest version for Windows. This version is 3.9.6. Click on it, but if you want a different version, you have to click here, of course, depending on your operating system. In my case, I'm using Windows. So I will click here, roll down, and I will get the different version of Python. Actually, I'm using Python 3.8.6. So please download it or download the upper version. For example, here, if I want to download it, here Windows system type 64-bit executable installer. So click on it. Then, after downloading, install it. Actually, I'm already downloaded and already installed it. So once your installation is complete, you search Python and start, and you will get the idle. Click on it, then you will get the Python environment where we will write our first code. Now we write the code in this environment. This code is very simple and it's just one line. Once you will see, you can understand easily. So here, for example, print hello Shabby you, then hit enter. Actually, the print method represents output statement, and there is no need to put semicolon at the end of this statement. And here is our output at the second line. As you can see, it's very simple and very easy to write simple Python program. So that's all about Python installation in your operating system, and especially in Windows, like my case. I hope that was useful. Thank you for your watching, and please don't forget to subscribe me. Goodbye.